Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 408, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, on your right, you'll see your large hall closet. Heading on into the apartment, you come to the kitchen with an electric oven and range, a microwave, and a refrigerator. In the living area, you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a desk and chair, a full-size bed, and a bookshelf. This apartment faces west with a large picture window overlooking Cayuga Street. Every apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. And here is your second large closet. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity and a full wall mirror, and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 408. Call us today for availability.